Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a tiger. That's right, we're going to draw a cute tiger. This tiger will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the tiger's head. Here we will draw a large circle for the tiger's head. Next, we will draw in the tiger's ears. They are like two small half circles. Let's draw the tiger's body next. I will draw in two small paws in the front. Let's not forget the tiger's tail. You can also change it up and make the tiger's tail really long or really short. Let's add some strips to the tiger's tail. Next, let's start drawing the tiger's face. Start with two small dots for the tiger's eyes. Some small whiskers on its face. Isn't it so cute already? Let's add some strips on the tiger's face. Feel free to add more strips on the tiger as well. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. You can also change the facial expressions for the tiger too. Maybe it can be really angry or really surprised. We finished the outline. I think we are ready to color. I will start by using pink to color in the tiger's cheeks. Next, I will use my yellow to color in the tiger. Feel free to change up the color for the tiger. Maybe instead of yellow, you can change it up to orange or maybe even rainbow color. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Doesn't it look fantastic already? I'm going to leave the tiger's snout, ears, and belly white, but feel free to fill it in with another color. There are so many possible color combinations. Isn't coloring so much fun? Doesn't it look awesome? Wow! Look at our amazing little tiger friend. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a sun or a jungle. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of little tigers in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the tiger. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.